Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yasir. In this video, we will be continuing our NumPy series. This is the third video on NumPy, and in the previous videos, we have discussed about the how to create the NumPy array, and in the second video, we have discussed the accessing element of the array and slicing the elements of the array. Now, in this particular video, we will be discussing about the first concatenation of the array. So as you know, if you want to work on the array, then first of all you have to import the library NumPy. So we are importing NumPy as np, and first create the first array, that is x, np.array, and 1 2 3 4. This is my 1D array, and the second array is y equal to np.array 5 6 7 8. This is also 1D array. Now if I want to concatenate these two, then I have to write this line of code: np.concatenate x comma y, x is equal to 0. So if I run this, then I am getting this array 1 2 3 4. This is my first array, that is x, and 5 6 7 8. This is my second array, that is y. So we are concatenating these two, x and y. Now suppose you want to concatenate the another array. So first I am creating third array, that is z. This is 2 3 5 4. Now np dot concatenate, in this we have to write the z value. Now in this we are concatenating the three arrays x y z. Now run this and see. The z is also concatenate in the x and y. So this is the way to concatenate the one-dimensional array. Now if you want to concatenate two-dimensional array, let us create two-dimensional array. x1 is equal to np.array. This is my 2D array. Now run this. This is my x1 and this is my x2. x1 is two-dimensional array and x2 is also two-dimensional array. Now I am concatenating these two, x1 and x2. Suppose in the function concatenate, I am giving the x1 and x2 and x is equal to 0. So what is the meaning of this x is equal to 0? It means we are concatenating the two arrays row wise. If I run this, see guys, this is my concatenated array. So x is equal to 0 means we are concatenating row wise. If I want to concatenate the array column wise, then I have to give x is equal to 1. So if I run this, then this is my column wise concatenation. Now second is the stacking of the array. First I am creating x3, this is my 1D array, and x4, this is my 2D array. Now we are stacking vertically. Vertically means if I run this, then this is my stacked array vertically. Okay. So if I want to stack the array horizontally, then we have to write the code hstack. This is my function hstack. It is stacking the arrays horizontally. So this is my, let's see, my x5 looks like, this is my x5 and this is my x6. Now stacking these two, this is the horizontally. So x6 is this 8 8 and x5 is this array. So we are stacking the array horizontally. Now another concept is splitting of the array. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of the splitting. The splitting is nothing but the opposite of the concatenation, which is implemented by the function np.split, np.horizontal split, np.vertical split. So suppose z is my another array, this is my z, and I want to split this z into z1, z2, z3. So I have to write this code np.split. So np.split, in this function I have to give first argument my z, the array which is to be splitted, and second argument we have to specify the index value. So first is 2, means the on the index 2 the first split will take place and the another split will take place on the index 6. So let's run this. This is my splitted array, first splitted on the index 2 and the second split on the index 6. If you want to change this 2 value, let's write this as 3 and let's this write as 7. So what will be the output? This is my output. First split is taking on the index 3 and the second split is on the 7 index. So this is the way how to split the one-dimensional array. Now second one is the vertical splitting. So for the vertical splitting, first I am creating another array, that is p, and p.arrange 16 dot reshape 4 cross 4. So I am creating the matrix 4 cross 4 and the element would be 16 in this array. So let's run this and print the value of p. This is my array 4 cross 4 matrix. Now if I want to split it into vertically, then first upper and first upper comma lower equal to np dot vertical split. V split means vertical split. Then first argument is my array and the second is 2 halves. 2 means I am splitting the array into 2 parts. First is upper and second is lower. Let's run this and see. This is my upper portion of the array and this is lower. So this is the way to splitting the array vertically, and second one is the horizontal splitting. For horizontal splitting we write this line of code left comma right equal to np dot horizontal split. H split means horizontal split, and first argument is my array and second argument is 2. Let's run this and print the value of course left and right. So let's print the value of left. Print left and print the right. This is my splitted array horizontally. So I am splitting the array horizontally. This is my first part that is left part, and this is the second array which is the right part. Okay, so now let's discuss some arithmetic on the array. Now I am creating x. X is nothing but the one-dimensional array. np.arrange 4. 4 means we are specifying 4 elements in this x. So this is my x array. Now perform some arithmetic operation on this array. So first print x, and the second is print x plus 2 is equal to comma x plus 2. So this particular line is telling us that we are adding 2 in the x array. So if I run this, then this is my x plus 2. X plus 2 means we are adding 2 in the array's element. So x plus 2 array is 2 because the first element is 0 of x and we are adding 2 in this. So 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now next is x minus 2. We are subtracting 2 from the elements of the array. So this is my x minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and 2 minus 2 is 0, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So in this way you can perform any arithmetic operation on the array. Now let's some operation, that is trigonometric operation on the NumPy array. So suppose this is my another array, that is theta. We are naming as theta equal to np.arrange 4. Suppose I want to perform sine on the arrays, on the elements of this array. So this is my np.sine, and theta is my array. This is sine 0 is 0, as you know, sine 0 is 0, and sine 1 is this, and sine 2 is this, and sine 3 is this. So in this way you can perform some trigonometric operation on the array. Now let's exponential function. So x is equal to np.arrange 5. We are creating the array of 5 elements. First print the x, that is my array, and second is e to the power x, np.exponential of x. So this is my e to the power x. So e to the power first is first element of the array is 0. So e to the power 0 is 1, e to the power 1 is 2.71, e to the power 2 is this, and e to the power 3 is this, e to the power 4 is this. Now next operation is 2 to the power x, np dot exponential 2 of x. This is the way we are performing 2 to the power x. So this is 2 to the power 0, of course 1, 2 to the power 2, sorry, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Now third one is 2 to the power x, np dot, this is the another way to write the previous line of code is np dot power. So first you have to specify the power, and second argument is your array. So by this way you can perform some exponential function on the array. Okay, so this is the video, guys. In the second video we will be discussing some Python program on the array. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel